Evaluate the integral from 0 to pi by 8 of sine 2x dx, given your answers in exact form. So we've got sine 2x dx from 0 to pi by 2. Now, first of all, if we differentiate the integral of sine, which is minus cos, so we would differentiate minus cos 2x, that will help us integrate that function. So if you differentiate that using the chain rule, it will become 2 times sine 2x. So if we integrate this, we need to put minus a half in front, cos 2x. So let's just think, if we differentiate this, that 2 will come out in front and cancel it down. The minus will go and it will become sine 2x. Right, we now need to substitute the limits in. So it's minus a half cos 2 times pi by 8 minus a half cos 2 times 0. Right, so that's going to give you minus a half cos of pi by 4. Minus will be plus a half cos of 0. Now, you shouldn't assume that the cos of 0 is 0. In fact, it's actually equal to 1. So the cos of pi by 4, you should know, is 1 over root 2 or root 2 over 2. So it will be minus a half times root 2 over 2 plus a half times 1. Writing that as a half minus root 2 over 4. Now, that could possibly be the correct answer, but if we use the same common denominator of 4, then we can use the idea that this is equal to 1/4 of 2 minus root 2. This is just a little bit neater. So this has been a video to show you how to find the exact answer of a trig integral. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.